Alright, G Squads, I have my ingredients here on the counter, and I'll list everything in the description box per usual. Off to the side, I have my Dutch oven. And so now I'm going to start with dicing up my vegetables. I have most of them cut up already. So I have these baby potatoes that I'm using. I can pan in a little more for y'all. Yum. Alright, so I'm going to start with cutting up these potatoes. And I'm just going to add everything to my Dutch oven as I'm slicing. Over now, so this is what it looks like inside the pot. This is what it's looking like. So now I'm going to go in and add my asparagus, and I trimmed the ends already and washed those. I have a couple more potatoes. Let me get those in there. Okay, so now this is 1 carrot that I washed, peeled, and cut in quarters. So I'll add that also in the pot. And then now I have some minced garlic. I'm going to add that in. This is about 4 cloves of garlic. So now I'm going to go in with my seasoning. And simple season, I'm just going to add some salt. It's like a 1/4 teaspoon. Then some black pepper. Also drizzle some olive oil in there, maybe like a 1/4 cup of olive oil. And then I have some dry thyme. Get some of that in there. And my oven is preheated to 375 degrees. So now I'm just going to kind of toss everything around to make sure my seasonings is well distributed on everything in here, as well as the olive oil. Give that a nice little mix. Nice pretty colors. Bring it in a little closer. I'll add just a little more olive oil. I want to make sure this is very well coated. Stubborn one. Okay. Alright, so now I have my salmon right here. I'm just going to add that in there now on top of our vegetables. I'm also going to add some olive oil on top. And just take my brush and just baste that with the oil. Then I'm also going to season my salmon. Add some more salt. And black pepper. A tad bit. And then I have some Dijon mustard. I'm going to add that to each one of my salmon. And then take the brush and make sure I just covered it up, my fish up real good with our Dijon mustard. Good. And now I have a lemon that I've already washed, so I'm going to cut a couple of slices of this lemon. Okay, squeeze some of that lemon juice in there. Also going to add a few slices of lemon to the pot. Time to sharpen my knife. Big Bubba. I'll actually use this one. The struggle is real, y'all. Here we go. Alright. I'm just going to add the lemon in here on top of the fish. That in there. Alright, so that's how it looks. So now I'm going to add the lid on this, put this in the oven and let it bake for like 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, like so. And I'll see y'all when this is ready to come out of the oven. Our fish was cooking in the oven for like 25 minutes, so I just remove it. Let's see what it's looking like. And let me just show some. Okay, take my fork and see. Nice and flaky. Let's see if my potatoes are tender. Carrots. Yep, my potatoes are tender. Yep. Everything is done. So I have my plate right here. And I'll get back some. move. Oops. As you can see, the fish is breaking up, so I'm just going to take it out like so. Grab some of these vegetables. That's how it looks. Fish is nice and flaky.